The Eko Excel program has been honored at the 18th Annual Titans of Tech Awards. The program was crowned the most innovative digital learning platform of the year. The chairman of the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, and top members of the board, supported by key Eko Excel support staff, received the award.
It means a lot. It shows that Mr. Governor investment in the basic education sector is actually yielding positive results. We have been recognized by independent organization for what we are doing. Mr. Governor is very much determined in transforming the basic education sector, leveraging technology. And as we all know, if we really need to correct the learning crisis in the whole world now, we need education and technology. And that is the number 3 pillar of Mr. Governor. It shows that he's very much determined, he's proactive and anticipatory. We congratulate him.
Titans of Technology Award, popularly called Nigeria's Tech Industry Grammy, is designed to celebrate high-tech most important movers and shakers, pioneers, innovators, men, women, organizations, and institutions who blazed the trail and used ICT to improve the way of life in the society.
It's always good when the industry recognizes those that are contributing to it. We definitely appreciate the effort of the organizers, and we are grateful that they're able to bring us together, as well as recognize efforts being put by members of the industry.
The Eko Excel initiative was launched in 2019 by the Babajide Sanwo-Olu administration, aimed at inculcating technology into education.